Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
She's probably driven close.
Oh my god, this is so. Oh my god!
Just hit the brakes!
Oh my god!
Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes,
What the f? Holy sh!
It's alright.
I'm so sorry.
It's alright. It's alright.
He literally almost ran into me.
It's alright. No worries.
Like, what the f was that? Was that my fault?
No.
Lines with drugs, giving inmates drugs without consent of the warden.
The battery factory earlier this fall are now planning a class action lawsuit against the government.
300 Korean workers were rounded up at the Hyundai LG factory outside. Citing unlawful arrests, racial profiling, human rights violations. He says reinstated after initially being flown back to Korea. Many are now back in the country and back working at the same facility. 95.5 WSB. 736. This hour of Atlanta's.
Our team is looking forward. Let's make your ideas happen together.
No.
Traffic for Specsavers. Get 60% off lens options this Black Friday at Specsavers. Now open.
What if you're not? You can text anytime. I like to meet to talk over the middle. So, little tilt, do you both tilt? I think that's kind of like a piece of work.
Domination, though.
There is a little domination. You're right.
Man, we have talked once to get.
Obviously getting pressure from some of these blue city mayors and blue city councils, but they know darn well they can't obstruct federal law enforcement. If there are bear fingers or protests attacking federal law enforcement, they have to enforce the local and state law. They can't say, well, if you're attacking an ICE agent, we're just not going to enforce the law.
Disease Control Prevention. As people probably know, it's the
Where are you going?
public health agency in the world, and the people that work there are the best.
Again? We're doing this?
Epidemiologists, statisticians.
For the mama. Okay. Go with the big shoulders. Somebody they call it garbo chicken.
Garbo chicken.
Garbo chicken. You guys okay, my baby?
Yeah.
My baby, is you okay?
Yep.
Call 911. Up with the Tesla.
Oh, that is not good.
What happened?
They're unconscious.
Oh no! Oh, that guy's stopping them.
We're gonna get out and help.
They're unconscious. Yeah.
Cool.
These types of situations, you know, with class and with the right intentionality and focus, and that's why we try to preach every game is a championship opportunity, so that you don't all of a sudden have to get up for Monday Night Football. But it'll be special. It'll be great. I encourage our guys to take in the moments, take in the opportunities, look around, hear the sounds, feel it.
Lock the video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.